San Farm, we believe in the power of good food and
Salmon wraps recipe. Four whole grain wraps. 1 cup flaked salmon, cooked and cooled. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt or hummus, choose your preference. 1 cup fresh spinach leaves. 1 small cucumber, thinly sliced. 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. Salt and pepper to taste, optional. Instructions. Prepare the salmon. If you haven't already cooked the salmon, you can either bake, grill, or pan fry it until it's fully cooked and flakes easily with a fork. Let it cool to room temperature before using it in the wraps. Assemble the wraps. Lay out the whole grain wraps on a clean surface or cutting board. Spread an equal amount of Greek yogurt or hummus on each wrap, leaving about 1 to 2 inches around the edges. Add the fillings. Divide the flaked salmon into 4 portions and place 1 portion on each wrap, slightly off-center. Top the salmon with a handful of fresh spinach leaves. Add cucumber and feta. Lay a few slices of cucumber over the spinach on each wrap. Sprinkle crumbled feta cheese evenly over the wraps. Season, optional. If desired, you can add a pinch of salt and pepper for extra flavor. Keep in mind that feta cheese already has a salty taste, so adjust the seasoning accordingly. Roll the wraps. Starting from the side closest to the fillings, gently fold the wrap over the ingredients. Fold in the sides to secure the fillings, then continue rolling until you have a tight and compact wrap. Slice each wrap in half diagonally, if desired, to make them easier to handle. These salmon wraps are not only healthy and flavorful but also versatile. You can customize the recipe by adding other ingredients like avocado, cherry tomatoes, or a drizzle of lemon juice for extra zest. Bon appétit! Your delicious salmon wraps are now ready to serve. Enjoy them immediately, or you can wrap them in parchment or foil for a grab-and-go meal. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching.